Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at Optivell, a natural liquid drop that supposedly repairs damaged eye tissues and reactivates dormant stem cells. The makers claim you can toss your glasses and skip surgery altogether. Because why trust a doctor with a decade of training when you can trust a random bottle of magic juice from a pop-up ad? It sounds like a dream, but we're here to see if it's actually a nightmare. Let's start with the reviews. Their website is packed with glowing testimonials that feel a bit too perfect, like they were written by a marketing team on a caffeine high rather than actual humans. When we looked for real feedback on Trustpilot or Reddit, we found absolutely nothing, just a digital desert. Over on Facebook, the comments are less, "thank you," and more, "stay away," warning that there's zero clinical evidence or peer-reviewed studies. The website itself is brand new and suspiciously commercial, with multiple domains selling the exact same thing. It's basically a digital game of hide and seek, which is always a great sign for something you're supposed to put in your eyes. Then there are the media claims. They boast about being featured on CNN and Fox News, but there are no links, no clips, and no screenshots. I suppose the footage is just shy and hiding in the same place as their credibility. Things get even weirder when you look at their legal claims. They brag about being FDA registered and GMP certified, yet the fine print at the bottom admits their statements haven't been evaluated by the FDA. It's a classic "trust us, but don't hold us to it" move that's about as transparent as a brick wall. They also love dropping big names like Harvard and Duke to sound smart, but there's no actual connection to the product. They use fancy terms like nanoparticle technology and stem cell activating compounds because suspicious mystery liquid doesn't sell quite as well. It's a lot of scientific-sounding words used to cover up a massive lack of actual science. Finally, we have the marketing hype promising 95% bioavailability and results in just 7 days. It's truly impressive how they can be so specific with numbers that have absolutely no data to back them up. I've had leftovers in my fridge longer than their 7-day miracle window. At the end of the day, Optivell is a cocktail of unverified claims and misleading marketing fluff. It's not a scientifically proven solution. It's just a very expensive way to be disappointed. That's all for today, friends. If you enjoyed this reality check, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep your eyes on the truth and stay safe.